So those of you who follow me know that I got sober a while back. Well, now it's been 6 months and I just realized something. I'm not shaking like a whore in church anymore. I never realized how the DTs were hindering my welding abilities until today when I finished welding these 2 elbows. I paused for a second and thought to myself, damn, that's way nicer. Then it turns out that the centerline radius was wrong on them, so I had to cut off the flanges and throw the elbows right in the garbage. But either way, I don't wake up feeling like shit in the morning and my DTs are gone.